The PowerLift Pro from MLCS Woodworking is the first and only Android-controlled router lift, bringing you unrivaled precision and capability to your router table. The PowerLift Pro easily positions your router for above-the-table bit changes, allows movements as small as 1/1000th of an inch, operate the lift hands-free with the foot pedal. It accepts the large 3 horsepower router motors as well as the smaller 2 horsepower class motors. The robust Android app allows you to store and go to saved lift positions. You can also move the lift one of many preset movements. Here's what's new with the PowerLift Pro for 2019. Connect your Android device easily using Bluetooth. There's 2 new tablet mounts that you can position anywhere to get the controls right where you need them. The cable on the foot pedal is now more than 6 feet long, so you can get the foot pedal in any position that's right for you. MLCS now offers a low-cost 10-inch tablet with the PowerLift Pro app pre-installed. And the PowerLift Pro will be offered in plate sizes to fit other popular brand router tables. If you're ready to elevate your woodworking to the next level with computer-controlled precision and amazing new capabilities, consider the MLCS PowerLift Pro. The PowerLift Pro, changing the way you work on the router table.